they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Yes, come in.
How are you doing?
I thought you would not be coming.
Oh no. I don't make promises in this thing.
That is very, very good of you.
Thank you so much. I got your parcel.
That is nothing.
You know something?
What?
I'm all yours now. Ah, thank you.
Tina.
Yeah, darling.
Good evening.
Hi.
You see, I was getting ready for an appointment. Yeah, I'm getting ready for an appointment.
Casey, darling. I've come to spend the night.
What do you mean? You are not going to insist on the use of property?
I think I've not been fair to you. Casey?
Yeah.
Tonight, I am all yours.
Yes. You see, I really, I'm almost late for the meeting. I'm already late. I'll wait.
Casey?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yes. But I was just going to put on something for the meeting. Yes.
What is it?
You care for some drinks?
No. Hi, Tina. You are looking sweet. Oh, thank you. You're going out, eh? Yeah. Okay, have fun. What is
This. It's a shirt.
Yes, I know it's a shirt. Is it yours? Do you have a woman in there?
A woman? No, but...
But what? So why are you resisting me?
Oh God, I'm dead. What is Tina doing here at this time of the night?
Me resisting? Oh no, that is the last...
Excuse me. Bema. Now who self take that track giver? Where she take commission?
Now these days, all the big opportunities they might fall for her ways. We for investigate.
You sure no say she then a piggy boy they go out?
A piggy. That be the reason why I say we for investigate. We for open our eyes, my sister.
For no worry, for as these days, I go watch them proper. Hey! Alina, they surprise me.
Ivy, what is Dito doing here? Or is he coming here?
I think he's coming to me.
He's coming to you. For what?
I don't know. Let's wait.
I hope you've not reconciled with him. And if you did, I would be more disappointed. After all the humiliations, it can't be.
Good evening, ladies.
Hi, Dito.
Ivy. Me one side,
Amma, excuse me.
Hi, Amma.
Hi, Casey.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where is Ivy?
Oh, she's seeing a friend off and will be back soon. Sit down.
Okay. All right. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Oh, there she comes.
Hi, Casey. Have you been here for long?
No, I just came in. I brought the things.
Thanks.
But I really have to be going. We'll meet at the spot.
Sure. Wait. Amma, just a moment. Okay, all right.
Charlie.
Hey, I did town. You know I do that. I did. Hey, bye-bye. You look.
Charlie, where have you been?
Charlie, I did town. The market must be good these days too. I don't know. How you people they find things at the new joints now?
My sister. Now the same old story.
Hey.
I left them yesterday. We are made too angry for myself.
Mansa, you for leave, eh? For the few weeks where I did plus Madame Emily, I managed to save 4 million cedis. Sometimes, I make 500,000 cedis a night.
Hey!
And if the Obroni comes around, they make about $150 a night. You better decide now.
Helena, will she accept me?
Why not?
Then I won't leave. No, my sister.
Look, if the dead ones are adding to their number, how much more we believe in? Huh? I'll go discuss plus so make you no worry.
I did trust you. Make you help me. For the past 3 months, my sister, no market. Come on. I don't know.
And guess what?
What?
I'll get some new additional phone.
Hey!
You go love her.
Helena the Great. My sister. It's nice. Hey, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Hello? Who? Yes. Okay. I will. See ya. Bye.
Hey, Helena the Great.
Oh, if you're one of my customers, you won't come pick me.
Hey, I see.
You better have the apple before this. Hey, the way market do these things, the way market,
Ali Baba. Ali.
Abba, what is your problem?
Bini. Make you come see your Alima with another man.
Where is she?
Come.
Laila. Move.
They did the back of that car.
That car?
Yes.
Hey! Do you know how much I invest?
So bad. There's no custom.
You have to thank your stars. Oh no, it was 2003. Shall I put it?
Hi, girl.
Hi.
What's going on?
Nothing special.
Bad day.
How was your day?
Charlie, I go see Helena today.
Really? How is she doing?
Very well. I mean, very, very well.
Good for her.
go believe say she dey send 4 million cedis within a week she comot us.
What? 4 million cedis?
Oh man. Mansa, I think it be high time we come out from this place. Now when Helena they managed to save 4 million. Me say the girl is making money. Helena is making money. Make we come out from this madam place, oh. Make we come out.
Wait. What will happen to madam if he left her?
That be her problem. Me. I know they fit locate my phone so. Oh yeah, excuse me.
You know something? She dey use 2 GSM now. Anyway, I asked them say make she plead for Madam Emily on her behalf so that we come out from this place. I beg.
Chale, Higi.
You know Helena no be greedy. She go feel help us. I mean she could prove it. She talk say make I call him tomorrow for final decision. I beg. Chale, me at the time.
So we go come out from this madam place, oh. Hi, Tina.
What do you want here? Get out of my house. Your mother was here to insult me. I am spoiling you. Please. I don't want you in this house again.
My mother.
I said out of this house. I don't want to see you in my house. Go.
Yen to Boisier, Tidia Woya Bianin Abotre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done a show will be a huabre. So Binima will be tray, Fesajina Midi Sebi Bia one emre, the Jai say will come out to pray, and I can see come up with your Honaya. You cannot want our panty, the other so would Jahon here now, she has said, so who you not going to bet your cratchy, Baba so cram my whoa, someone here.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.